Zaf, wake up. Wake up. We have a date with Georgie in 1 hour. Zafy. Zav? Zav. Zav. Zav.
Stop it!
Georgie?
Okay, what? I just woke up, Nick, I'm gonna pee.
Oh.
No. So I'm all dressed and awake. Nick woke me up really abruptly and we are going to go see Georgie now. Oh my god, our bed is so messy. We're so excited to see you, little guy.
We're on the way. It's 7:05. Our appointment is at 8 o'clock and we're in peak hour traffic to the city.
It's gonna be fun.
I tried to wake her up.
Well, as
earlier.
push it back. As my alarm clock, you should have woken me up 30 minutes before when you decided to wake me up earlier. You should have woken me up earlier.
Are you still asleep?
So the traffic's actually moving. Nick's just a crybaby and I look so bad without makeup on.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
You don't.
I got my hair coloured yesterday.
Oh, can everyone tell? She looks fab.
I love this colour. It's like more of like a not so cool. Like I hate it when like you put the toner in and it goes like kind of white. It doesn't like suit me. Washes me out. But I don't mind this colour. It's very nice. Very nice. Very nice. What do you think Georgie's gonna look like?
I don't know how big he's gonna be.
Yeah.
We haven't seen him in a month and a half.
No, has it been that long?
When was the last scan?
Maybe
13 weeks.
Yeah.
And what's now? 17 and a half.
Yeah, I'm curious to see if we're gonna have like a scan today. So we're seeing the doctor today, but last time when I saw the doctor by myself, they have like a little machine and they scan you. It's not as good as like the scanning place ones because our next big scan's at 20 weeks. So like I hope we get to see him today. I think we will, like I'm sure.
We better. I just want to see how big he is. How big are you at usually 17 weeks?
Asking me? Apple! My app says he's an apple. It's starting to stick out actually. Like my stomach's really, I haven't got people looking at us, we're in traffic. Nick, focus on the road. Yeah, and I'm getting a lot of stretching pain. Like to all the other mums out there, did you get like a lot of stretching pain like as you were growing? Because it's feeling weird. It's feeling like there's like something like hard in my stomach that's like pushing it. Like it's weird, but it's cool.
Really?
Yeah, it feels funny.
Can you feel a move?
Yeah, I can feel butterflies, like flutters, but like not a full-on kick yet. It's just like flutters. Anyway, because we're in traffic and people are looking. Actually, no one's looking at this moment. We will check in with you guys when we get there.
Bye.
Bye.
The landmark for your uterus should be just below your belly button. So when you're relaxing where it sort of dips off. Yeah. So that's an appropriate size uterus. All right. Well, it's not as instant as a scanner. So bear with me. But we found your baby straight away. There you go. Oh, wow. So
There he is.
I'll point out if I hear a kick. Let's get him a bit louder. Oh, that may have been a kick.
Oh, sorry, I just laughed then.
That's the cord. You can tell the difference because that's more swooshy.
Yeah.
And then that was a kick. That's another kick.
I feel okay. So
Did you feel that?
Yeah, so that's a kick.
That's a
wow,
kick.
it's really faint, but you can like feel. I'm hungry.
Alright, we just finished. You guys got to see Georgie's little heartbeat and a few kicks.
You got to hear it. You got to hear it.
You got to see, yeah, you got to hear it, which is really cool.
We'll try sneak the camera into the.
Yeah, I was trying to sneak it in. She didn't know I had a camera there, but
Nick, don't say that on camera.
it's all good. You gotta just go with me. Just go with it. Just go with it. You know what I mean? And Saf was trying to she was trying to hit me under the table for me to stop filming. I was like, no, just chill out. It'll be fine. And look, it was fine. She's such a goody two shoes. Oh my God.
So, after our doctor's appointment, which we had this morning, I've actually spruced myself up a little, but I'm gonna go to the gym, so maybe I'll take this off and then redo my makeup. But anyway, we are gonna go into Woolies after the gym and we are gonna look for baby food because we wanna try what baby food tastes like. We've never had it before. And yeah, well, we did have it when we were babies. I have baby brain today.
Not funny.
So we just went to Woolies because we have never in our lives tried baby food. Okay, maybe when we were babies. So we got store-bought baby food and we're gonna like test it out to see if like our baby Georgie is gonna like this, because I think Georgie's gonna have a very posh palate. I think he's gonna only go to 5-star Michelin restaurants.
If he's anything like you, we'll just have Maccas every day.
Yeah. His dad's a food snob, so Nick is actually a food snob. I'm not. I'll eat anything.
I like oysters.
No, you don't. You don't like...
Oysters Cleopatra.
Actually, do you guys want to watch us eat oysters?
No.
Yes, because we both don't like them, so we should do that. That'd be so funny.
What are you doing, you freak?
I just love you.
Get off.
Do you like my hair like this?
No. Actually, you know what? I was thinking, guys, what do you reckon? No, I'm not hugging you. Look at this. Does anyone see the resemblance?
Beauty.
Kind of.
What are you doing? Don't ruin it.
To this person? I'm gonna put the... Yeah, she's
You do even know how to put a picture up on the
She's Joe
screen.
Dirt. She's Joe Dirt.
So, the flavours that we have are... What is it?
Pumpkin, apple, and sweet corn. Vegetable risotto.
Ooh.
Blueberries, banana, and apple.
Fun fact, Nick doesn't eat banana and he's trying this one.
I don't know.
Yes you are, you pussy. Don't be a pussy. Come on, be a man. What kind of like father are you gonna be? Like show Georgie, he's here, he can hear us right now. Show him that you can taste a little bit of banana. I mean,
don't call me a pussy!
You are.
Corn, spinach, and carrot.
Mm.
Yuck. And chocolate custard.
I think that's the only one that's going to taste nice. But like,
Fuck.
In the supermarket, what concerns me is like they're not in a fridge. Like, I don't know. I think I want to like try and make my own when I have Georgie. Obviously, these are like super convenient and I get that. But I want to try and make my own baby food. So if you have any recipes, put them in the comments below. Okay, we're going to try them. So we have our teaspoons. No,
so this is pumpkin sweet.
Don't put them in a plate. The whole
yeah,
thing.
but I want it just in case it gets on the ground.
Yeah, can I do it? Like, you're bloody...
Why are you doing it?
Because I'm the mum, I'm going to be feeding him. So, pumpkin, apple, and sweet corn. So it's like a makeup tutorial. Oh.
What? Oh, you eat it.
No.
It stinks.
Oh, I'm pregnant, I can't. This is too much. Okay. Let me go first, all of them.
Hurry up.
I want your mouth germs on them, so let me go first. Sweet. So this was the pumpkin and apple and sweet corn. It's actually not bad. I just don't think I love apple that much pregnant. Don't lick it. Eat more than that. I had way more. You're a disgrace. Get different spoons. Run downstairs and get more.
No.
Yeah, get a spoon for each one.
No, I'll just wash it in the sink.
Oh, no, I'm going to run. I ran downstairs and got more spoons. Okay.
She didn't want to use the same spoon because there was tap water on it.
No, I like tap water, just not like the bathroom.
Next is
vegetable risotto.
Vegetable risotto. I think this is going to be disgusting. Like pieces of vegetable in it that I can see. Get off! Don't. You give me the shit sometime. Get off.
Really... No, put it in the spoon. What are you doing, you psychopath? Like, what are you doing? Okay, vegetable risotto. How's it risotto?
It's probably got rice in it.
Smells like hospital food.
By the way, before you taste that, not too bad. Strong apple flavour, can't really taste anything else. Just tastes like apple.
What would you rate it out of 10?
I think kids would like that.
You'd feed that to Georgie?
Yeah.
I mustn't like apple. Pregnant, I didn't like it. Oh, hell no. It tastes like that. Oh, it's just gooey.
I actually don't want to eat it. I don't want to.
No, you have to. Don't be. I ate it. Put your mouth on it.
I can't do it. I think I'm going to throw up.
No. Oh, you've got to. I'm the pregnant one.
Oh no, no, I don't know. I just can't do that shit. That was so bad.
Look, Nick's hair. Oh wait, Nick, lean back your hair, dude. Vegetable risotto got a 0 from us.
No. All right.
I'm over this.
Stop trying to kiss me. Sweet potato, corn, spinach, and carrot.
Oh, I can't.
Just so it doesn't fall down because you're retarded.
Oh, you're retarded. Every time I. What is this one again?
Sweet potato, corn, spinach, and carrot.
Georgie's not gonna like this. Are you gonna bless me?
Bless you.
You know what? Not the worst. I'd give it like a 5 out of 10.
I'd eat that.
You hate me today. No. I did it! I kissed it! And now for my all-time favourite. Well, I've never tried it before, but it's my favourite because there's banana in it and Nick doesn't eat banana and you're gonna eat this.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. You have to try it. That's false advertising.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
You idiot! That's on my pants!
No. So this is more of a dessert flavour, blueberries, banana and apple. This is something that you'd give your baby for morning tea. I'd pack this for Georgie as a snack. 9.
Can you taste the banana?
Not really. You actually can't.
What do you taste?
Blueberries and apple. Apple's strong. I don't mind the apple in this.
Okay.
Hey, he liked that.
There's no banana in there.
There is banana, but it's like an aftertaste.
Can't taste it.
You can't taste it. That, see, like, I think I would give Georgie...
Alright, last one. Chocolate custard. I feel as though this will be good.
Look, you still got lip gloss on you from when I kissed you. You just like to keep it there for later?
Leave me alone.
Why don't you love me? We're having a baby. Georgie knows when you hate me.
Go. No! Eat the whole thing, or what are you doing? It's custard, that's why it's thicker. Tastes like chocolate? So you ate the whole thing.
I like this.
Legit chocolate
It's
custard.
actually just chocolate custard. Georgie will love this if he's my son.
Yeah. Number 1, 100%.
So chocolate custard came in first. To be honest, I think the blueberries and banana and apple came in second.
And... No, not that one.
You like
this one.
So these were our top 3.
Top 3.
So first, second, and third. Do not get vegetable risotto. I mean, if you like that one, that's fine.
No.
But our taste buds.
We'll make our own vegetables and pure.
No, but that's why I said leave in the comments below what you do, your like homemade recipes for baby food, because we'll make some. Like before Georgie comes, we need to practice.
Yeah.
We need to practice making it. So like leave it in the comments below. But I think like when you're on the go, like these ones with fruit in them, I think they're really good. Like the fruit ones or the custard ones when you're on the go.
I like apple.
I'm unsure the ones that have risotto or meat in them. We didn't get any with meat because I couldn't stomach that right now.
No way.
I'd rather make my own.
It's gross.
We have to do our post notification shout outs, so I'm gonna go grab my phone now. So we're gonna do 3 post notification shout outs today. So the first one goes to Cecilia Christensen. So I'll actually read you her comment because it's really sweet. I've been subscribed since you first started YouTube and would love a shout out. I've also just started a YouTube channel. So guys, check her out. Post notification shout out goes to Keeping Katie Accountable, KKA. So she also has a YouTube channel, so check her out. Last one is Georgia Davris. So check her out. Thank you guys so much for watching our little vlog. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also turn on your post notifications and comment done if you want a shout out in our next video. We will see you here next time.
See ya.
Nick's not in a good mood today.
No,
I love you. I love you.
No,
I love you. I
pissed me off.
love you. Me and Georgie love you.
No, you pissed me off before. Bye.